In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on selected element in Webflow. If you've ever made a quick tweak to a style or content and immediately wished you could go back, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to reverse that change in a fast, reliable way. Start by opening your project in the Webflow designer. Make sure you're on the page where you made the change you want to revert. Give the canvas a moment to load so all elements render correctly. It helps to work with the element clearly in view, so zoom or pan as needed to bring it front and center. You can click the element directly on the canvas or use the navigator panel to select it precisely if it's nested inside other layers. The goal is simply to have the element you're focused on selected before you undo, which makes it easier to confirm you're reversing the right change. With that element selected, undoing is straightforward. Look to the top left of the designer for the left pointing arrow icon labeled undo. Click that once to reverse your most recent action. You'll see the canvas update immediately, returning the element to its prior state. Prefer the keyboard? Press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to achieve the same result. This shortcut is often the fastest way to work, especially when you're iterating on styles like font size, spacing, color, or positioning. If the last thing you changed wasn't on this element, you may need to press undo a few times to step back through your recent history until you reach the moment before the unwanted edit. Watch the element closely as you undo. Each press moves you one action back. If nothing seems to happen, it likely means there aren't any more changes in your current session to undo. A few helpful tips as you work. Undo affects most design actions, including style tweaks, content edits, and moves on the canvas. It's session-based, so it reflects the sequence of actions you've just taken. Keeping the element selected simply gives you clear visual feedback when the style reverts, helping you confirm you're back to the desired state. If you're experimenting with multiple adjustments, pause occasionally to evaluate and use undo methodically to step back to your preferred version. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the element you're concerned about, and use the undo button in the top left or the Ctrl+Z or Command+Z shortcut to reverse the change. With this simple habit, you can confidently explore design ideas in Webflow, knowing you can always roll back any step that doesn't work out.